In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok with background music. So basically what background music does, it plays over your video, so that it adds some sense of music or liveness to a video, like an action drama or whatever. So first you want to open up your TikTok and then click on the plus icon. From there you want to record the video or upload your video. Once it's done, click on the red check mark and then go to sounds at the bottom left. Here you can choose some of the trending sounds, your favorites or recently used. Also you can search for specific sounds, like let's say we want to play God's Plan by Drake. We can also add that. But keep in mind, if you are a business account, you won't have access to these commercial musics because TikTok just doesn't allow that for the business accounts to do. So keep that in mind. Then you can play with your volume. This is your sound, this is the music sound, and that's pretty much it. That's how you add a background music to your videos. So thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe.